if we just stick together long enough for her to have her baby. You know, excuse me, I have a funeral planned. Nora. What do you think you're doing?
Finished, I'm out.
Baby, don't leave.
Look. I control my life, all right? Not some crazy list that Death has put together.
I'll be sure to carve that into your tombstone.
Whatever. Maybe it would scare these people, but I'm not buying it. Be careful, man. Hey.
What? Even if you don't believe, give this to Nora. I'm just gonna put this in the...
Charles! Charles! Wake up!